Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using a retiring stamp set, Birthday Blooms. We are going to be making this card using Rose Red, which is retiring as well. Let's get started. We're going to be using Birthday Blooms, and this one is retiring. We're going to be using this big flower and the Dear Friend. And I have a piece of Very Vanilla Thick, and then I have the big flower, and I'm going to, it's mounted on block E, and I'm going to ink that up with my VERSAMARK ink pad. And then I'm going to put it right here in the top right-hand corner, or left-hand corner, rather. Now I have my gold embossing powder. All right, let's get rid of this. And I'm just going to get my heat tool. All right, and now I have my Rose Red stamp pad, and I just squeezed it a little to get some ink here. I'm going to get a little bit more than that. All right, so I'm going to take my wink of Stella, and I'm just going to color in the whole flower. And it's going to be lighter and darker in some places, but that's okay. And then we're going to get these little flowers here on the side. right. While I have the ink pad out, I'm going to get the Dear Friend, and that's mounted on clear block B. I'm just going to stamp that. Alright, and my card base is very vanilla thick, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And I have a piece of rose red, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm just going to put this down with my SNAIL adhesive. All right. And that wink of Stella dries pretty fast. So. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple note card for a dear friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need any of these products, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!